Hi, I'm Eric. Welcome to North Fork Time and Treasures. This is our first instructional video of putting your clock into beat. Setting your clock in beat is absolutely pertinent to accurate timekeeping. The oscillation of the pendulum is mathematically geared to tick within a certain number of ticks per day. Having an even beat or tempo between the ticks is absolutely necessary. When you buy a hanging clock and hang it on the wall, you have to make sure that it's level. But sometimes that isn't exactly just right for what the clock needs. Using your ear, like a musician, is going to help find the best position on the wall where your clock is in beat. So let's use this wonderful Sly wall clock for our example. Listen closely to the rhythm of the pendulum. You hear a tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. This clock is clearly out of beat. A little trick here, as my cat is trying to explain, is that where you hear most of the silence is the direction where you're going to want to move the bottom of the clock. Sound better? Let's have another example. The clock is hanging this way. We don't even hear the tick. Another rhythm out of beat. The majority of the silence in the swing is this way. So we're going to want to move the bottom of the clock to the left. A little better. Pretty close. Just a smidge. And a smidge more. And we're perfect. And that is how you set your clock into beat. Okay, we're going to do that one again. And so having those ticks, never mind, I should write this shit down.